What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back for day 15 of the grade. Today we are talking about that cinematic orange and teal look. Whether you're talking about like a great movie series like Transformers, Autobots, to classic Hollywood films, orange and teal look has been a staple in Hollywood cinema. And today we're going to talk about how to get it in your own footage. The reason why it's such a staple is because they are complementary colors, and we're not going to get into all the complementary colors and all the color theory things in this video, but I'm going to teach you how to do this. We are working within the same node tree that we created already. You want to go to your balance and exposure node. I'm going to turn this off, and you see it looks crazy. Turn it back on, boom, cinematic. Right, so you want to get the orange and teal look is basically having your shadows be cooled off and your skin tones be warmed up. And so to do that, I dropped my exposure down because it was overexposed. And then I pulled my blues back a little bit. And I kept the reds, because if I bring the reds back up, it's too red in the image. Drop the reds down the most and the greens down a little bit, because if I bring the greens to where the red are, it's go back to like it's too red in the image. Now everything's cooled off, and so now we go to our saturation node. We're gonna go to our color slice and hit Shift 8, and you see I had selected basically all the skin tones for the center node or centerpiece right here, so you can get the best selection for you. Hit Shift H again, and now look, I'm gonna do it dramatically. They're very orange. Now bring them back down. Hey. I don't even know what color that is, but it desaturates it. So I'm gonna bring it back up to a good spot where they're not too orange, but they're not too cool. And this is your density, so you can bring that up or you can bring that down. I'm gonna leave it about right here. And that is how you get that orange and teal look. That's it for day 16 of the grade. Tune in for day 17, where we'll be talking about how to get that film emulation look. Deuces.